Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix low GPU usage in games. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, just go here and search for the control panel. Go to system and security, then system, and here if we have Windows 11, we will click here in advanced system settings, and if you have Windows 10, you will click on advanced system settings, but it should appear here on the right. Tap on this advanced and then tap on this settings. Again click on advanced and tap on this change. We have to deactivate this. Select our primary disk, click on custom size, and here we put 4096 and the same below. Now select the other disk and check this no paging file box. Then simply click on this OK, and after that you have to restart the PC and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to fix low GPU usage in games. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.